Here's a quick comparison between Nextcloud and ownCloud. Nextcloud is accessible to Safari, Chrome, and Google. So if you want a website that can be accessible to your mobile phone, Nextcloud is the right one for you. As you can see, it has a 25 Atom, which is your digital workspace ready in no time. It is actually good for those people who in need when they want to actually secure their data or private files. Nextcloud it forte. Now, you can just go ahead and log into its website and download it depending on what you want. Next is the ownCloud. ownCloud is also accessible to Safari, Chrome, and Google, and there is also a file sharing. Unlike to Nextcloud, there is no file sharing, and there is also a PPT doc and XLS, which is verified for web office for the ownCloud. Now here's a table for a quick comparison. For the feature, license, and model, Nextcloud is fully open source, and ownCloud is open core and some paid features. For development, Nextcloud is fast updates, while ownCloud is slow updates. For integration, Nextcloud is strong app ecosystem. For ownCloud has a fewer integration. Now, if you want a more masterful app to secure your files, you can just go ahead and use Nextcloud. But if you're just a beginner and wanted to explore more features, you can use the other feature, which is the ownCloud.